Hello everyone. Today we are going to start officially our discussion in music theory. So here we are. First of all, I would like to mention that there are some prerequisites needed before you take up this lesson. And these are the following. First, we should be familiar with the basic note reading. So the notes in the staff, line spaces using G and F clefs. Second, the difference between the letter names and note names or the solfa syllables. And lastly, the physical structure of the piano or keyboard. Or at least we know what does a piano or a keyboard look like and what are the notes on the white keys. Only for the white keys. Okay, let's start now. First, we will be discussing about the semitone and tone. When we say tone and semitone, so imagine like a whole circle. A circle, and if you cut it into two, half, you call it semicircle. So instead of saying whole circle, you may just call it as a circle. So same as for tone. The tone and the half of tone is a semitone. So therefore, two semitones is equals to a tone. And with regards to this structure of piano or keyboard, tone is a two key steps. So from C going up here and then going to D. So from C to black key and then to D. A semitone is a one key step. So for example, like here, from E going to F, one step, or D going to D sharp. Okay, now we go on to sharp. This hash symbol is called sharp. Means the tune or the pitch will go up by one semitone or one step. Like for example, C. If we sharpen this C, it will go one semitone up, going to this black key. So this is C sharp. Now, next is flat. This is the symbol for flat. Means the pitch will go down by one semitone or one step. For E, if we say flat, the pitch, the way is going on your left. Sharp going to your right. So if we say E flat, so from E, one step going to your left. So this black key is E flat. Okay. So for now, we should be familiarized already with the notes on the staff. First of all, this black keys represents the sharpened and flatted notes. For example, C. One semitone up is C sharp. This one. C sharp or D flat, because if we start from D and we move one step to your left, it's D flat. So therefore, C sharp is equals to D flat. Same goes here. D sharp or E flat. So D sharp is equals to E flat. Then if we start from F, one step semitone, or let's put a sharp. So one step or a semitone, this is F sharp. From G, one step to your left, or G flat. So F sharp is equals to G flat. Now, for this G, G sharp or A flat, G sharp or A flat. And lastly, the last black key, A, one step up is A sharp, or from B, one step down, going to your left, one semitone is B flat. Now, if we go to our staff using G clef, this line here, a ledger line, is C. The space is D, E, F, G, A, B, C, so on and so forth. Now, if we notice, there are 7 major keys on the white keys, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. But there are only 5 black keys. Therefore, there are only 5 sharpened notes and 5 flattened notes. And we will examine that here using our staff. So C, since we have here C sharp, therefore C here, we put a sharp symbol before the note. Then, let's go to D. This is the natural D. Since D here, if we move one semitone up, this is D sharp. So, D, and then before this note symbol is a hash symbol or a sharp symbol, D. Same goes for F. Since E has no sharp, let's move on to F. F, and then F, and then F sharp. For G, it has a G sharp, G, natural G, and G sharp with a sharp symbol. For A, we have A sharp, A natural, A sharp. For B, we have no sharp, so we move on to C. But actually, the meaning of sharp is going one semitone up, and the flat is one semitone down, going to the left of the keyboard. Okay, the proper way of putting symbols, the sharp symbol or the flat symbol is like, for example, this ledger line. For example, here, this is the note symbol, but before that we put the sharp symbol. So meaning this is C sharp. We put the sharp symbol also on that line to indicate that this note on the line is sharpened. But if we write the letter name, we put the letter name first and then the symbol of sharp or flat, if symbol of sharp on the upper right of the letter name. So that's it for now, and we will continue our discussion with our music theory.